everyone, I have been asked by someone about how to colour snowflakes. Now I wasn't sure whether they meant on a picture, say like this one, and put some in the sky, or whether they meant how to colour ones that were pre-drawn, but I thought I would have a go and show you a few of my ideas for this page. Now this is from Rita Berman's Mein Spaziergang durch die Jahrezeiten. It's also in her winter walk book, and I thought it was a good page. There's lots of snowflakes. Now with this page, I'm actually not going to do a background. I'm going to leave it white. Quite often when it's snowing, the sky is very white. Now you could colour the sky in a certain colour. It's completely up to you. And I thought I would just show you a few different ideas. Now snow is obviously white, but we can't colour it white and have a white sky. It's just not going to show up. You could, I'll just give you a little idea. You could get a blue, there's a bit of a mark on the page here. You could get a blue pastel. I can see if I can erase it. You could get a blue pastel and do the whole of the page in blue, or some distress ink or something like that. And then colour the snowflakes in white or silver. I can't get that mark off. I don't know what it is. Never mind. We won't worry about it. And that's one idea. So you could just use a silver pen or a silver paint or a silver glitter pen or something, and you're done. And if you've got a picture like this one, like we were saying, and you've got lots of detail, and then you could just do a blue sky with some silver bits, and that looks quite cool. I show you. I think I've got one here where I did that. Here we go. This bird, he hasn't got actual snowflakes. He's got bits of swirly. These are in silver pen, and this one has got silver pen stars or white. I can't remember. In so that's an idea, but I'll show you some ways to colour. Now I want to use cold colours, so I'm going to go cold colours are these mainly. Blues, purples and pinks, not that reddy pink like that. That sort of would be quite cold palette to me. So some people like to just stick to blue. I shall do a blue one and we'll see, because snow can often look blue, but remember it can pick up other colours depending on what's around. So I'm going to see, where are we on camera? This one. Okay, I shall colour this one. So what I think I might do is do a little bit darker in the middle. I'm using Castle Arts, by the way. I'm just using a Cerulean blue light. I've just picked, oh, you're not going to be able to see that. It's just not working. So I've just picked a random blue, really, that I thought would be a nice colour. What I'm going to do is do a little bit darker in the centre and lighter towards the tip. I haven't got a reason for choosing that way of colouring. I just think it will make it look a little bit more interesting than just colouring all the same colour throughout. So I'm going quite lightly at the end of these bits. What are they called? I don't know. Anyway, so this is just a basic blue. Sometimes I think a dark blue looks quite nice for snow as well, but you know, it's up to you. I will probably mix it up a bit on this page and do different colours. I think because we've got so much snow, I might just do multicoloured, but obviously sticking to the cold colours. So if you want to know exactly which are cold and hot colours, you can look on your search engine, and sometimes a colour wheel will have that information on it for you. But I think it's usually sort of greys and blues, purples, but bluey purples, not reddy purples, and pinks. But again, a whiter pink rather than a more warm pink. Orangey pinks wouldn't be. So there we go. It's quite simple. I'm going to do the next one in a let's do a pink. I think I'm going to go for quite a light pink. This is called rose pink. Again, you probably will struggle to see that. Where are we here? Okay, so you can just see the difference in the colour. Pink might not appeal to you. Pink snow. You might just want to go in all blues. You could use lots of different shades of blue. So it's completely up to you. I just thought I'd show you a few ideas. It's quite fun playing around with a little bit of colour on a wintry scene and thinking about what might work. I wonder if anyone's had any snow yet. I suspect a lot of you have, because you're living all over the place. I suspect those of you in Australia probably haven't. I know, I don't know what my Australian family were doing for Christmas. I probably know by the time this video goes out. But these, you have a nice get together, some sort of cold platters and things, and quite a few of them are really good at cooking. I remember when I visited. Lovely food. Still feeling hungry today. I'm going to do a grey one here. I just thought I would just do, I'm going to use the Cool Grey Deep. I'm wondering if you can see better if I shade it. I don't think so. It's blurred, isn't it? Anyway, I went to bed last night and I was hungry. I was like, why am I hungry? And I'm still hungry now. I could go and get something. I've had breakfast, but I always have a similar breakfast. I tend to have a chopped up banana and some grapes. I like red grapes. It's supposed to be better for you because of the something in the red. I don't know if it's tannin or something like that. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be good. Lots of antioxidants. And then I have a bit of cocoa powder sprinkled on top with some milk, either soy milk, which I drink most of the time, or oat milk if I'm having a treat. Because I do like oat milk, but it hasn't got much protein in compared to soy milk. So I'm lactose intolerant, so I have plant milk. And then I have some jumbo oats and sometimes some spelt flakes, something like that on the top. So there's a sort of almost silvery coloured one. I can do a purple one as well. We'll push up. What shade of purple should we do? I think we'll do the heather purple. It's quite a nice one. Can you see my shade? No. Oh, sorry. Wasting my time, aren't I? So we'll do a purple one. Now when you finished all your snowflakes, there are different things that you can do with them. So you could get yourself a sparkly gel pen and go all the way around the edge of all of them. You could pick a purple one, a pink one, a blue one, a grey one, something like that. Or you could go around them all in a silver one, just to give some sparkle, or just to, I think, what's it called, Sakura Jelly Roll. I think they make a sparkly pen that has no colour, so it isn't silver, it's just sparkles. Now, if I've got it on my wish list. If I've had one of those, I just go over the whole thing, each one in sparkle. I think it'd be lovely. So there's another possibility. You could use a metallic pen to go around the edge if you've got a thin nib. Different things, or you could just leave it as it is. Yeah, there's lots of different ideas you could try. You could do a metallic silver background or a sparkly silver background. That would be quite fun. It might look like they were lying down on snow, that sort of thing. So anyway, there are, also on this page, let me just zoom out. I nearly tried to zoom out with my mouse. No, I need the camera remote control. So if you can see this page, we've got a lot of these like this, and we've got a few here that look a little bit different. And I was wondering whether I might do these in a different way, maybe with a silver pen, although there's quite a lot of detailing, or a glitter or sparkle. I'm not sure, I may not. I'm just thinking through ideas at the minute. But what I'm going to do to finish this page is do different shades of blue and pink and purple, and I'm going to see if I've got enough different shades to do each one differently, just so that they all look a little different, which I think will be fun. And I might actually use different sets of pencils. Obviously I've got my Castle Arts here, but you know, obviously I can extend my range of colour if I use pens from different sets. I am quite tempted to do a sparkly silver background, just because I've got that little flaw on the paper there, which is, it keeps jumping out at me. It's getting to me a little bit. So I might want to cover that over. So I think maybe a sparkly silver background, but I don't know if my sparkly silver pens have got enough ink in to cope with the background, so that could be a challenge. But we'll see. I'll have a think about it. I haven't completely decided yet. Also, if we do a sparkly background, we've got these black dots which will get covered over. So there's always something to think about when it comes to that sort of thing. Do you disappear those dots? Maybe, maybe not. Don't know. And also, another thing I'm considering is, do I make all of these the same, but all of these different, or do I just make these different as well? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to finish now anyway. I've talked for long enough. I've given you a few ideas and I hope that's been quite useful and given you something to think about and a few different things to try. And I'm going to finish this page and I will post it somewhere. It may not be at the end of this video because I might just get on and publish it, but it will be on one of my socials. So I'm on Instagram, I've got a Facebook page, and I'm on Pinterest and Reddit, so you can find things. I don't always post finished pictures too quickly on Reddit, so it's probably the other three are probably worth checking out. All the links are in the description of the video. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to click like if you like the video, and do subscribe if you want to get notifications of when my next one comes out. So thank you so much for watching, and happy colouring.